The story of the battle carrier. Let's go. Let's go back to the past. We're in 1941. This is the Philippine Island. Let's go.
Where's the driving room?
Let's
Look, this is a kitchen.
I mean this is not the
This is a kitchen.
We are Americans. Let's
What's this?
let's control this. What?
Ito. Kani kuya. Kani?
Ambot. Let's remember, crew go down with ship, not captain's king captain. What? This is
I need di takasakay sa ship. Di ko kaya ka sa ship kay di pa daw siya pwede.
oh let's go to the anchor.
Di pa ko mayaga.
Let's go. We are Americans.
Mayaga na to.
Okay. We are Americans. Let's what happened? We are Americans. We need to save the Philippines. So maybe Japanese emperors will get here. Let's go. Let's go there.
The ship is sinay kayo.
Why? Let me control it. Hurry, bro, because let's save the Philippines. Philippines is already captured by the Japanese. Wait, what happened? Why did you just lock the ship, bro? Hindi na siya malarga. Ali, Sam!
I'm so sorry.
Here, bro. Get over here. Why did you just lock?
The island.
Let's go explore the seas. Let's go.
Ni bomb sa ubos.
Where? Lagay. Ato na ta. Ato na ba ta?
Hinay kayo siya. Kay kuhan kayo. Dako kayo siya. Nadawat mong god. Ay, hinay kayo. Mayaga.
Sumangkos. Ako na lang mag-drive eh.
Oh, ikaw na yan?
Hawa, Diana. Get out of there. Let's go. Let's go to the middle of the ocean because Japanese emperors might come here. Look, there's a Philippine island, but it's still safe. There's still Filipinos there. Later, we're not.
Ni boss dyan eh. Ni boss.
Okay, there's a boss there.
Nagyok ko sa ship.
Let's stop here. Maybe Japanese soldiers will go here.
Talk to him. Na boss dyan eh.
Where's the boss?
Nasa taas.
What?
Ano na-stop ta?
Because we need to locate the Japanese emperors.
Please, pwede tama to?
Where?
The Japanese kay nakuhan ang
Uy, dangerous kayo itong Japan. Kay kuhan kayo.
dito si Fen na to?
Dili. Kay this is actually 1941. This is not actually 2026, bro. We're actually in 1941. So, na pa ne?
Natuyok siya.
Later. Later. Let's eat now. But what will happen? Let's go attack the American one. We need to defeat it. Let's defeat the American. Wait, what is that in the floor? Maybe it's American.
Ni kwan dyan ni boss. Agkatong king.
Ayaw butang siya. Later.
That.
We found it!
I couldn't see.
Let's kidnap the crew still because they shoot us first. What?
The king is coming!
Oh no! Reload that one! Reload it! Reload this because I accidentally. Oh no! No! We actually sank now! Everyone! Everyone! Evacuate! You know what is? Tao na mga Filipino citizens. Tao. Help us!
Okay! Aye! Pwede mo!
There's a Philippine citizen. Help us! Let's go. Yay! Thank you, US.
Aganing US sa boss ka. Isugyo ba kayo ni siya?
Lagi. So,
Basa-basa, imayangon ka bad word kay mo. Kwandan ka, ma-kick down ka sa kwan sa dagat.
look guys, it's a Philippine citizen. We have saved it.
Nakwan siya.
Let's go. Let's go back to the driving area.
Tagyo ko siya sa map. Okay, mag-ingkod na lang ko sa kukwan. Wait! Nani ang boss kay wait.
Ang di.
Tila sa ubos. Tinaw ni boss sa ubos. Inakwan. Tinawa. Tinaw sa kwan sa window.
Let's go, Kwan. Let's go turn around. Minutes late. It's very heavy, bro. Let's go. We saw an island there. What is this button? Reasons to this. One boss. Boss.
Naiyak. Still got monster.
Wait, a monster? Let's ignore that.
Ang monster kay PBK.
Stop it.
Ang?
Dali na kuya,
Ang?
Nakawon.
Nandito ba ko?
Hala. Tara.
Chicken na egg na yan ako.
Let's go.
Nawala ang kwan, ang boss.
Where's the boss? Hey, where are you, boss? Hey, boss, something's gonna happen.
What?
Japanese soldiers are going to go to us again.
I will kick them in the dagat.
Okay. Later. Di pa sila. Nice one.
Attention! Naamang monster ang Japanese.
Oh no! Let's go.
What's up? What's up?
There's a Japanese ship. I detect them very
Ikaw ay
fast.
naban siya?
Wala, wait. That one. There's a crewmate. Wait, I saw the baby. I saw the baby crawling and getting the engines. Nah, don't get them. Okay, boss. Maybe the engines will stop.
Ah! This is him!
Oh no, we're getting shooted. Fire! Oh no! Wait, the engine has stopped. Oh no! No! Oh no! Save us! Please. Japanese,
Ano mga taman sa nako?
we surrender. I will be your soldier now.
Yes!
Thank you.
Pwede na ka mag-health. Pwede po ka mag-health sa mangkwan. Sa mangkwan. Ang inami.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey! Hey, di ako kumatutubon.
Later that night, later that noon.
Nagawas ko.
I should be careful.
Pagin ko siya sa yung bangko. Paano? Di man ko pwede.
Okay, let's stop because the captain is in sitting. Okay, let's go.
Sam, dali na, Sam. Nana ang ship na eh.
May pahungin ka na ka.
Boy, magbungi ka man eh.
Let's go.
Na cellphone.
Why? Where's my evil plan?
Dali na. Dali na. Ayaw mo cellphone.
Later that evening. Let's let's stop. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, hey! There is now the nanay kwan, Japanese soldier, daghan kayo. Kabalo ba sila? Wala. They are not, wala, they have no caution. Get ready. Bright sila, Sam. Pagdali, kabalo sila. Let's destroy the ship. Let's go. Let's go! Destroy the ship! Destroy the ship! Destroy the ship! Destroy the ship! Ayaw, mama, nag-video ba ko? Destroy the ship! Destroy the ship! Oh no! Let's go bomb this! The other crewmates. Let's kill the king! are the lifeboats? There's no lifeboats. Where is it? Oh no, we have no one. Let's regen this. Let's regen. Regen? Hey, it doesn't regen, bro. Oh no. Do, 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 do. Help us! We are stuck in the sea. We are stuck in the sea. Help us! Let's save the others. Let's go. Later. Help us. Help us. We're very close. Very close. We swam all day. We swim all day. Please help us.
Down siya.
Be careful, don't sink. No, the helicopter, another.
Pati ang kwan, ang captain.
Everyone. Meanwhile, everyone. Very sad in the Philippine one. Very sad because I lost that ship. It was very cool, but it sank. Goodbye. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Then, see you later. See you later, guys. See you later from a next video.